Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Just now, experts established that $10 is valid. Prepare yourself to never work again. News: SHIB Tokapi has just expanded its payment choices by collaborating with a loan payment gateway, BitPay, and now supports 16 cryptocurrencies, including well-known ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu. Through their favorite cryptocurrencies, collectors and enthusiasts will now have more options when buying NFTs thanks to this relationship with SHIB. We will discuss specialists who recently demonstrated that $10 is genuine in this video. Prepare yourself to never work again. News: SHIB. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Tokapi has announced that its users can now only use Ethereum to buy limited NFT editions created by Ronald Kwon, better known as Seerlight, an illustrator and animator located in Los Angeles. Mirage, which was influenced by the stunning architecture of the KHM, and Hunters in the Snow, which was influenced by Peter Bruegel the Elder's original artwork, are two of these well-liked NFT versions that are now accessible on the platform. A digital marketplace called Tokapi focuses on non-fungible tokens. The platform, which has its headquarters in Lisbon, Portugal, offers a user-friendly interface for buying and selling a variety of digital treasures, such as virtual goods like real estate, music, art, and clothes for avatars in video games. Users of Tokapi can explore numerous NFTs, find fresh artists, and easily take part in the expanding digital economy. An administrator of the Sherbarium Tech Telegram group has stated that the official Sherbarium documentation is prepared. Developers have not released it, according to the message from the admin, referred to as someone smart, since they are discussing the specifics with Shiba Inu lead developer Caldaria. The administrator also mentioned that developers might publish more materials in addition to the manual. It is unclear what it might be. The admin stated that the documents are finished, and the minor delay is because Cal is checking them to make sure everything is okay. Additionally, if possible, we'll release additional items than just documents. SHIB Knight at the Army and Lucy at Lucy are two particularly notable Shiba Inu influencers. SHIB tweeted the message as well. The tweets are listed below. Recall that when the beta version of the planned Ethereum Layer 2 solution appeared, developers initially stated that they will release the docs 1 week later. Almost 2 weeks ago, on March 11th, the beta version was released. Furthermore, Call stated that the doctors would change in 4 to 5 days in a thread on Twitter on March 16th. It is important to note that the project has been under heavy fire in recent weeks, with the main charge being that the code was stolen from Rinia, another forthcoming project. The Rinia developer has refuted this assertion, as has been published. Former principal developer Satoshi Kazama, better known as Shiba Inu, made a commitment that Sherbarium would draw users from outside the Shiba Inu ecosystem in addition to serving as a layer for that environment. The community is ecstatic by the promise that it will burn SHIB with each transaction because it means there will be a considerably less supply of tokens, which might increase the value of their holdings. Price: Shiba Inu is a peer-to-peer network operating token built on the Ethereum blockchain. It is not governed by a centralized body or any middlemen. Shiba Inu has made countless millionaires and even billionaires thanks to its extraordinary returns. Shiba Inu has become more well-known as a result of its affordable price, which makes it available for microtransactions. Its success is also due to the fact that company has a strong cause for existing, which has provided owners with outstanding earnings. It now consistently ranks among the top 20 cryptocurrencies, with daily trading volume of about $500 million. Currently, Shiba Inu is fighting to recover from its recent decline. SHIB's price recovery may be hampered, according to on-chain statistics, by a drop in network growth and pressure from long-term investors eager to sell their holdings. Since the beginning of March, the number of new addresses in the Shiba Inu ecosystem has been declining, according to recent data given by Glassnode. There are currently only 1759 new addresses, which is significantly less than the 5,575 that were noted in February, only 1 month earlier. This significant drop can indicate a loss of interest in the coin or a shift in attention to other virtual assets. The Shiba Inu community has problems beyond a decline in the number of new addresses. According to sentiment data, long-term token holders are purging their holdings, which will cause a large sell-off and increase downward pressure on prices. On-chain data, which counts the number of participants in successful transactions on the network, also shows a lag in active addresses. The lack of interest in a platform's main services can be indicated by a reduction in new addresses on a blockchain network, which could provide a problem for SHIB in the coming weeks unless the trend changes. According to the most recent report, there were just 106,000 active Shiba Inu addresses over the previous 30 days. This means that SHIB users have been less likely to use the token to complete transactions. SHIB's recent lackluster performance, which resulted in a huge loss of 18.65% during the same period, may be the likely source of this trend. SHIB investors and market analysts are left to speculate as to whether the present circumstances would allow the well-known cryptocurrency to recover any time soon. SHIB's burn rate has risen by a startling 5,000%, which is an odd occurrence. Despite this increase, the token's value has stayed unchanged, with no discernible change over the recent. Under normal circumstances, an asset's value will normally grow due to a declining supply as the burn rate rises. The basic laws of supply and demand are the foundation of this phenomenon. When an asset is in short supply and demand grows or remains stable, the price should rise. However, if SHIB breaks past its present resistance level at 0 point, which might result in a longer-lasting price upsurge, bullish investors might regain control. Shiba Inu may have recently been an underdog in the cryptocurrency market, but because of its sizable and committed community, it continues to be a cherished and preferred token among crypto aficionados. Shiba Inu has recently shown signs of life despite historically poor performance, rising 5.6% in the last few days from $00.10 to $0010.78. Numerous investors have become interested in this modest but noticeable growth and are now attentively following the token's performance. Shiba Inu's success may be related to its bold future goals, which have attracted the backing of many cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors. These aspirations include developing its own stablecoin, Shibarium, its own blockchain, and becoming a global exchange of value. Investors are also paying attention to Shiba Inu's ambitions to introduce Shibarium, its own blockchain. With the help of Shibarium, developers will be able to construct decentralized apps, dApps, on a platform that will be totally community-driven. Shiba Inu's action is anticipated to boost the token's usefulness, which could increase demand for its value. The Shiba Inu community is still committed to limiting the availability of SHIB and elevating the value of their unique coin. The Shiba Inu community-led burn operations have jointly taken 27,613,608 SHIB out of circulation in the last 24 hours. Via 10 different transactions forever. The day's biggest burn transaction originates from the enigmatic wallet. One reliable transaction involves the wallet sending 14,371,980 SHIB to the burn addresses. Despite the significant burn, Shiba Inu's daily burn rate decreased by 96.34%. In the last 7 days, the Shiba Inu community has burned 1,789,115,447 SHIB through various trades. Yesterday, the newly minted token Koyokyo delivered an astounding 758,951,740 SHIB to the dead wallet in a single transaction, making it the most significant burn transaction to date. Since March 10th, Koyo has actively contributed to the Shiba Inu burn.